Welcome back to NYSE TV Live. I'm Trinity Chavez, and we are live here on the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange, where we're celebrating FirstMark, a major player in New York's venture scene. They help startups thrive by connecting them with the right talent and resources. One standout company in their portfolio is Crisp, tackling the global food waste crisis by delivering actionable retail data from over 40 sources, giving brands visibility into inventory and sales. Now to talk more about this, I am joined by Rick Heitzmann. He is the co-founder of FirstMark. Great. It's great to have you, Rick. You just rang the opening bell.
Oh, it's an amazing time, an amazing experience being in the center of commerce and being able to participate with so many of our co-founders and ushering in our 2024 CEO Summit.
And why don't we talk about your partnership with Ari and why you chose Crisp to partner with them?
Well, first of all, we chose Ari, and Ari is a great serial entrepreneur here in New York. New York's one of the best venture capital ecosystems in the world, and then we were able to have Ari pull together what he thought was an enormous problem in Crisp, tackling the food waste system and building a tremendous data network to fundamentally change the way that food is bought and sold and transferred around the world.
Now, your company was founded in 2008 with your colleague Amish Jani. So talk to me about how your portfolio has really grown since its inception to over 100 portfolio companies, many of them unicorns. Talk to me about the strategy behind this growth.
It's really a New York story. And we chose to base our company here in New York and build with some of the greatest entrepreneurs, both here in New York and people who want access to this ecosystem. So we've grown up with this New York ecosystem, approaching 20 years and 2 decades of serving entrepreneurs from all over the world.
And you're choosing the New York Stock Exchange to host your event here. It's actually underway now, the CEO Summit. Why was it important that you chose this iconic institution to host this annual event?
It's so iconic. It's really the global center of commerce. And many of our founders, some of which are just starting out, really want to be here, ring the bell themselves that day. So it's so inspirational for people who appreciate the history, as well as so many people that were on the podium today came up to me, we hugged and said, I can't wait for you to join me up here when I ring the bell. So that's the kind of thing that's so touching and even gives me goosebumps talking about it now.
And you've been here many times. I'm sure you'll be back soon enough. It was great speaking with you, Rick.
So thank you very much. This was great.